Welcome to Escape Mansion, a time puzzle adventure built in Python. You wake up in a procedurally generated mansion. Your goal, find 4 hidden keys and escape, all within 10 minutes. Each key is locked behind a logic puzzle. Solve them all and the exit opens. Fail and the mansion catches you. So how to play this game? You need to use arrow keys to explore rooms and corridors. The map scrolls with you, keeping the player centered. Keys are marked with K. Reach one and press enter to start its puzzle. You will face 4 distinct challenges, each testing a different kind of logic. First minigame, Lockpick. Lockpick is a timing-based puzzle. Each tumbler cycles through digits, like a spinning lock. Players must freeze each tumbler when its number matches the target sequence. The challenge is precision. You must freeze all tumblers correctly in order and without rushing. If you freeze the wrong number, the attempt fails and you can retry. It's a test of focus and timing under pressure, especially with the clock ticking. Laser and Mirrors. Laser and Mirrors is a spatial puzzle. The goal is to guide a laser beam from its source to a target cell marked X. Players place mirrors, either / or \, to reflect the beam through the grid. Each mirror changes the beam's direction based on its angle, and players have limited moves to get it right. Once mirrors are placed, players press S to shoot the laser and see if it hits the target. Lights Out. Lights Out is a classic pattern puzzle. The board is filled with lights. Some are on and some are off. Toggling a cell flips its state and also flips its 4 neighbors. The goal is to turn all the lights off. What makes it tricky is that every move affects multiple cells. Players must recognize patterns and plan sequences of toggles to reach a clean board. It's a great exercise in cause and effect logic and visual strategy. Futoshiki minigame. Futoshiki is a grid-based logic puzzle. Players must fill a 5-to-5 grid with numbers from 1 to 5, ensuring no repeats in any row or column, similar to Sudoku. But what makes it unique are the inequality arrows between the cells. If you collect all 4 keys in time, the mansion door unlocks. You escape barely, seconds to spare. Victory feels earned. This is the main game file that creates our mansion escape adventure. It's built using Python's Curses library for terminal-based graphics. The game has 2 main components, this overworld exploration part and 4 separate mini-games that we'll dive into later. First, our procedural map generator creates unique 300 and 120 mansions by placing random rooms and connecting them with corridors. Our smart camera centers on the player while handling map edges. We added animations, undo systems, and robust error handling. The magic happens here. We dynamically import and wrap 4 separate puzzle games. When players find keys, we seamlessly launch the corresponding challenge. The laser game models optical physics with reflection dictionaries. Our pathfinding algorithm generates solvable mirror mazes from laser to target. Futoshiki minigame combines Sudoku with inequality constraints. Our validator checks both uniqueness and mathematical relations in real time. When it comes to Lights Out minigame, Lights Out uses binary toggling. Each click flips the cell and neighbors. We guarantee solvability by starting solved and applying random moves. In the Lockpick minigame, each tumbler cycles independently with its own timer, some fast, some slow, creating a coordination challenge. If you're concerned about the time, the main game loop manages a 10-minute time limit, creating the real urgency. If time runs out, players get chased by a monster.